So we've set the scene, now let's grab the user's attention. We're going to create a hero section, maybe with a title, with a big image, maybe a call to action. So let's jump in and take a look. So we've jumped back into the canvas. We already have our header and our footer. Now let's start moving down the page and create our hero section. So we know the row above is already transparent. So with this row, I think we should go for a blue background. So we've set the background color on the outer row. Now let's start populating the inner row with some content. We've dragged in a large title. I like to use a large title because it really grabs the audience attention and lets them know where they are on their intranet page. So you can see large text, internal comms, the white really contrasts well against the blue and really sets the scene. Let's jump in to the right and drag in a large image. So you can immediately see we've added a lot more height to the row. This large blue row across the top of the page is really going to grab the user's attention. Let's jump into the quick view and see how it looks. I'm quite happy with that, so let's keep designing. So let's drag in some description text. Coupled with the title, really sets the tone of the page and lets the user know what they can expect. We can jump in and we can change the font and we can change the size. And let's add a little padding too, so it separates itself from the title. Next, let's put in a call to action button, something the users can interact with. So let's drag in another nested row and set its layout so we can input a button. That's looking pretty good. It's quite a tight squeeze, so let's add some padding and separate the content some more. That's looking pretty good. Let's jump back into quick view and take a look what it looks like. Now that we've got our hero banner set, let's take a look at the preview width and see what it will look like across different devices. Now for mobile devices like tablets and phones, you're probably not going to need this large image. So let's go ahead and hide that for anything smaller than a desktop resolution. Now that we've previewed our hero image across different devices, we know it looks good. Let's go ahead and save the page.